Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the top 5 kind of video that you can start on your mobile phone right now. These are like the top 5 most simplest videos that you can start using your mobile phone, just the way I'm doing right now in the car. And don't mind me if I'm a little bit sweating because I'm inside the car and I a little bit wind up, so I might be sweating right now, but forget about that. So let's get started with this video right now. But before I get started, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed to this my channel right now, just click the red button below right now to subscribe, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video for another person. So, and again, I'm gonna be looking into my phone right now so I don't make mistake. I've listed out this top 5 kind of video that you can start right now on your mobile phone. Anywhere you are, you can do this kind of video on your mobile phone right now. Whichever one you want to do, just pick anyone from these top 5 that I'm going to be listing right now and just get started right now. So the number 1 video that you can start using your mobile, just your mobile phone alone, is a vlog kind of video. Yeah, vlog kind of video. You've already seen vlog channel, like somebody just with their phone alone, they're just like this on their phone, walking on the streets, in the market, wherever they are, just with their phone like this, and they're just recording themselves. Yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. They're just like this, just walking around with their phone, and they're just recording themselves. And once they are done with that recording, still on that same phone, they just come, they bring up their CapCut, edit the video, and the video is up, and they upload the video just like that on their phone. So that's like the number 1 best video or number 1 channel you can start right now using your mobile phone. And the second one is as simple as ABC, and this one is a gaming channel. You can start a gaming channel right now just with your phone right now. I don't know why a lot of people, you are interested in gaming. I see a lot of people playing games every day, and all they just need to do is just the same way you're playing games like this on your mobile phone, just bring up the screen recording and record yourself playing that game that you enjoy playing every time. Just record the screen every time, and you see them, some of these people play this game for 30 minutes, they play it for 1 hour, whichever how long you want to play this game. Just play the same game that you enjoy playing. Just record it, and once you're done, just save it, take it to CapCut, just do very short editing. This kind of playing game video doesn't even require too much editing. That same game, just edit it. If you want to write anything on the video, write whatever you want to write on the video, and once you're done writing it, upload it on YouTube, and that video is going to be there. You can see a whole lot of video that I'm showing right here right now. Look at people just playing games on their mobile phone, and they're making money doing this thing that they already do for free before, guys. And the funniest thing is, you can record this game, upload it on YouTube, upload it on Facebook, upload it on TikTok, upload the same video on Instagram. I don't even want to go into other social media platforms, but I've already given you five social media accounts where you can upload this video right now. So I don't see anything that is stopping you from starting a gaming channel right now. This gaming channel don't even require you showing your face. All that it requires is you might only be talking while you're playing the game, like maybe I'm gonna pass this, just I don't know, whatever you want to say, just say whatever it is on the gaming, and you can even choose not to talk. You can even choose not to talk on the gaming too. You can even just record it for free like that. Then when you take it to the editing, let me know if you want me to do a full editing on how to do this. Then when you take it to the editing, you can just add a music under it. You can just add a music under the gaming, or you can use AI to do voiceover to it. Just type in what you're doing in the video, let AI read it out for you. CapCut can do all of those things for you. AI is going to read out everything you're doing, and you're going to lay that AI voice under the voice if you don't want to use your own real voice and all that. So it's as simple as that. And the number 3 kind of video you can start right now on your mobile phone, the most simplest way, is a tutorial. Guys, guess what example I'm going to give you right now? Tutorial channel is exactly what I'm doing right now. You can see I'm doing a tutorial right now, and this is my phone, and that's all I need to do to start a tutorial channel, guys. This is all I need right now, guys. All you need is to have your phone like that. I'm inside the car right now. I just place the phone on at the dashboard of the car right now. That's where the phone is. If you are in the house, like you don't have access to a car, just put the phone on the table. Once you put the phone on the table like this, and the table is gonna stand as the same thing as the dashboard you're seeing right now. Whatever, if you have access to tripod, get a tripod, put a tripod down, and you're recording yourself with a tripod and all that, and you're teaching the things that you already know of it. The things that are already in your head. Those are the things you're teaching people. It can be anything. It can be how to do makeup, it can be how to cook, it can be how to fashion designer, it can be how to edit, how to do video, just like I'm doing right now. It can be how to create a website, how to create a mobile app. Whatever it is that you already know right now, those knowledge are already on your head right now. You can start a channel like that on your mobile phone. Number 4 channel you can start is what is called ASMR. And what are these ASMR right now? You can see the video strolling beside me right now. These are videos that have to do with somebody. Maybe I should even take my nails. Somebody filing your nails. They are scraping. Those are the pedicure and manicure kind of videos that you see. Somebody scraping under your tail, somebody cutting your nails, somebody doing all your nails and all that, somebody doing the hair. All of those type of videos are the videos that are ASMR. These are relaxing videos. The people that, if you want to go into this type of video, these are the videos that the Americans love so much. The Americans love this type of video so much because they relax with videos like this. They just leave the video like this, and that's why you see video like this. They are lasting like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2, 3 hours, because they relax with video like this. You can just leave it playing on their screen, and they are just at home. Maybe they are cooking, they are doing whatever, they are just relaxing. They even sleep with video like this because of all those sound that the videos like this makes and all that. So that's the 4 type of website that you can, the 4 type of videos that you can start using your mobile phone right now. And number 5 kind of video you can start using your mobile phone is this video that I call review. Guys, review videos are going nuts right now on YouTube right now, and these are these type of videos that you see. It's already see it's showing on my screen right now. These are these type of video that somebody is just in the car, put your camera down, put your phone down in the car like this, and you're just eating food and you're reviewing the food. Maybe you get a burger, you're eating the burger at McDonald's for the first time. Take it. Maybe you get something from Target and you buy something from Target, and you're reviewing the product you buy from Target, or you bought a product from Amazon, you bought a product anywhere. You make maybe a garage sales, you make a review, just basically reviewing new products, new things that just came out. Maybe new makeup products is out, maybe new camera came out. You get those things and just reviewing those things it might be inside your house, it might be inside your car, but with your mobile phone, just like the same way I place my mobile phone right now, you can be doing the same thing right now, guys. Just place your mobile phone inside the car, or your mobile phone in your bedroom or your sitting room, wherever you want to put it. Just put it right now and get the product, whatever product you're reviewing. If you're eating, you see a lot of guys that are doing this eating in the car videos right now, or maybe even outside the car. You just basically just having your phone like this, then just eating and just talking about the food you're eating and all that. These are very simple. These are the top 5 most simplest videos that you can start right now using your mobile phone. These are the most simplest. If you know you have anyone that is more simpler than these 5 that I've given you right now, put it down in the comment section below right now. And if you need help in starting your own YouTube channel, all I want you to do right now is to hit me up. My WhatsApp link is going to be down below, my Facebook link is going to be down below, and also leave your comment down below. Let me know if you need any more help about this thing. I can help you get started with your channel. I can even help you create your YouTube channel and help you set it right professional way, so that the algorithm can easily pick it up and easily rank with it. So this is how I'm going to be leaving you in this video right now. If you enjoyed this video so far, all I want you to do right now, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. I still remain your one and only 2 to the BLESS, 2 blessed, that's what they call me. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.